Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new, I'm Feb, and today's an exciting day. In the post I received my Wizarding Trunk box, and this I think is the bi-monthly one. I signed up for quarterly for Magic Delivered and bi-monthly for Wizarding Trunk, so let's get it open and have a look. I don't think I know what's in here. I hope I don't anyway. I'll explain. Okay then, so no, I don't think I know a thing about what's in here. How exciting. So this is the box. It's a beautiful box. It's got like seals and strings and stuff on, and when you open it up, ooh, I can see already there's something I'm going to love. Okay, so that's what I can see. When I said I hope I don't know what's in here, it suddenly occurred to me I need to stop watching other people, stop watching their videos so I don't get spoiled. I'm talking about the Potter Collector mainly. I love him. I love his channel. But he does these unboxings, so yeah, I don't want to spoil it for myself. All right, let's get out the first item. Right then, check this out. The Sorcerer's Guide to Magical Herbs and Fungi. Okay, that's beautiful. It's a book cover. You know, if you're going on the train or car journey or something, you want somewhere to put your Kindle or your book, or what are those things called? iPads? I don't know. Never bought an Apple products. Haven't got the faintest idea of what they are. Anyway, there we go. That's it. And I love it. It's beautifully padded. Really nice. I will show you a close-up of all of these things at the end for sure. Okay, let's move on to item number 2. Okay, clever specs required for this. Here we go. It's Thestral. Look at that bookmark. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, as is the card. And that says magical creatures A to Z. And then down at the bottom, an introduction to otherworldly beasts. Oh wow. Okay, that's so perfect because I absolutely need another bookmark right now. So that is great. Okay, lovely. Next. Okay, next we've got a little pouch, and inside is a pin. It says divination on it. Look at that cute that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I gather that they were doing a collection of these little pins for the various shops. So that will be one for your board. That is so nice. All right then. All right, next we have a box of playing cards, and these are absolutely stunning. They look like tarot cards. And they are really, absolutely, I mean, gold and black, what a winner, right? They're all different, and they're all, oh my God, look. Oh, so pretty. Oh, good Lord. Okay, one of my favourite items for sure. All right, moving on. Okay, next we've got a little packet with moonstones inside. Nice. I'm feeling very kind of gothic lately. Going back to my roots, I guess. I don't know. Second childhood or something. So this is really nice for me. Let's get it open. It's a beautiful box though. Look at that. That is so stunning. And also on the back. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at them. It's a lift-off lid. And we've got some... Ooh, dropped one. Got some squigglies inside, and here they are. Oh, they're super pretty. Look at this. Okay, this is hard. Hold on. There we go. Pretty. So nice. Sparkly, shiny. Appealing to the magpie in me massively. Look at that. Okay, I should have said Niffler, shouldn't I? Okay, next. Ooh, wow. Okay, we've got yet another pouch. Let's see what's in this one. Another? Oh my God. Okay, 2. That is nice. Look at that detail. That is beautiful. Let me see what it says on it, if anything. Oh, cool. It says clean sweep. I have to use a magnifying glass because I literally can't see even with my glasses on. I super need to go back to the opticians. Okay, so that's lovely. We have 2 buildings. That one's actually my favourite. I think that is really gorgeous. Oh God, I need yet another board for my pins. There's no way I'm going to fit all these on. These are quite large. Alright, next we've got a mystery brown box, which is exciting. Oh, it's got polystyrene inside. Maybe it's fragile. Let's have a look. Get it open. Shut the front door. Oh my God, it's a wardrobe. You know, for the boggarts. Ooh, and there's a little thingy at the bottom of it. So, is this a money box? It is. Oh my goodness, cool, cool, cool. There we go. That is just a lovely thing. I wouldn't use it as a money box personally. I will just use this for display. Favorite items so far for Shizzle. Okay, moving on. Okay, there is still so much in this box that I can't believe. I just had to check that this is bi-monthly and it's not a massive quarterly one, and it is the bi-monthly box. So, wow, I'm very impressed by what's in here. So, next thing that came out is this beautiful pad. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is wonderful. A beautiful thing. Let me show you close up. Wow. The detail on that. I'm looking forward to seeing the cheat sheet to see who actually drew this, because it's amazing. Oh my god. Wow. And speaking of art, another fantastic item in here is this picture. Look at that. Hippogriff over the lake with that sky. Goodness me. Wow. And then there are also there's another box here, but I'm kind of saving that for last because it looks exciting as heck. So there's a card about moonstones. So that little box of moonstones, that goes with this. And it's on both sides, beautifully printed. Oh man, wonderful. Okay. And then we've got a couple of little paper products here, just little things. And I love these little things because they are what can make a shelf go from, you know, interesting to, oh, wow, you know, really curious little things that you'd never find anywhere else. And so, again, look at that. Restricted section pass, validated by on the back. And then lastly, for the paper things, there's a little bag of what look like stickers. Let's get them open. And these, I will show these close up actually, because they are really fab and I love them. Charms, divination, herbology, oh, so on. Defense against the dark arts. Yeah, I'll show you those in close up. And then we've got the cheat sheet. And look at that. Even the cheat sheet's fab. Oh, look, there he is. Post collector right there. And then this is the last box, so let's get this open. I don't know what my favourite item is so far, honestly. The wardrobe, oh my goodness, love. The book sleeve, love. The moonstones, love. Everything is just a wonderful box, actually. If you're thinking of getting one of these, highly recommend. Okay, look at that. Shiny. Let's see what these actually even are. Oh my goodness. What the hell are they? They look like sphinxes. Oh, no way. Okay, let's see. These are actually salt and pepper shakers. Oh, wow. Okay, that one's got some like 3 or 4 little holes on the head. And this one has just one. So they're beautiful. I don't think they're going to see my kitchen. They're going to end up in here somewhere. Wow. All right, then, let's look at all these things individually. All right, so here's a close-up of the cheat sheet, and we'll talk through each of the items. So first of all, the Seer's Inner Eye Tarot. Oh my goodness. So this was an exclusive deck created as a collaboration between Spiritual Arts and TWT. And look at this. Ace of Cups. 2, 3. Oh my goodness. 10 of Cups. Knight, 9 of... Oh my goodness. These designs, though. They are beautiful. So yeah, I don't even know. I don't know the back as well. Look at that. Wow. I love them. I think they're absolutely beautiful and they are going to end up somewhere in this room for sure. These are very difficult. They keep kind of blowing out because of the lights. They're difficult to show you, but look how beautiful they are. They are really very bright gold. And on the bottom, there are little holes for you to put your condiments in. That is brilliant. Okay, cool. Very lovely. I I don't even know where they're going to go, but they're going to go somewhere. And about those, it says, beautiful winged boar salt and pepper shakers are on every table in the copper kettle. So yeah, there we are. Here are the 2 pins. And look at those. This one particularly is my favourite. I just love the colours on that. They are really nicely done. So the shop pin, which I'm assuming is this one, yeah, the divination shop, you'll find everything you need, and it was designed by JP Mistlecrow. And then this one, the flying shop pin, this was also designed by JP Mistlecrow. What a great design. Love them both. Okay, and then we've got the bookmark. And this is a lovely thing, isn't it? So there are 12 items in here. I'm shocked. For a bi-monthly crate, 12 items. Amazing. I don't know how they've done that, honestly. When you compare it to the boxes that I was opening every month, there were only 4 items in each one from Wizardry Crate. This is much better value for money, guys, honestly. Even with coming to the UK. So yeah, anyway, coming back to this, 4th in a series of bookmarks, and designed by Wizardry Workshop, who is a lovely guy, by the way, from what I've seen. You should definitely follow him on YouTube. I do. He's lovely. I'm going to have to stop watching his videos as well now, I guess, or, you know, his opening ones. Okay, then we move on to the wardrobe, and this, oh my goodness, I love this. I mean, you know, it's a money box. It says, wands at the ready. The only real nightmare associated with this cabinet would be opening it to find someone else had already emptied the contents. Brilliant. Love it. So cool. Okay, so that is definitely going on one of my shelves, and very immediately. Let's have a look at these little things. These are so nice. I love the colours on them. It says this pass must be relinquished upon checkout of any book. And then on the back, this student's been given permission to check out one book from the restricted section on a topic of their choosing, which I love these things. So this was also designed by Wizardry Workshop. Nice. Okay, moving on. Let's have a look at the book. Okay, so this is the Magical Creatures drawing pad, also designed by JP Mistlecrow. Such talent, I'm not even joking. I mean, that is beautiful. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go, just to get the whole thing in. Look at these little toadstools. And the unicorn, the centaur, the droll. There's even a phoenix up here, and the owl, and it is a wonderful work of art. I absolutely love it. There's another flying Pegasus over there. Wow. Okay, gorgeous. As is this one. Look at him. Oh my God, so gorgeous. And this is painted by Giza Graphics. Beautiful, absolutely lovely. This is so getting framed. I mean, the quality of the paper as well. It's really good, thick paper. Okay, what have we got left to talk about? All right, so getting to the end now, the moonstones and the little card that goes with it. I think these are delightful. And again, will go on my potion shelf. This tells you all about how to charge them and use them. So, you know, that's fun. I mean, we're really invested in this, right? These are gorgeous. I love it. I think the whole thing's been beautifully planned. And this is the sort of thing that I just love to get in my boxes. I really do. I think this is, you know, this is what you sign up for, isn't it? The fun things that you wouldn't get anywhere else. And then finally, we've got the book sleeve, which, yeah, I think is fab. I love the whole thing. Okay then, well, I think that covers just about everything. Do let me know what you think about it. Which was your favourite item? I am honestly hard pressed to know what my favourite thing is. These stickers, just to, you know, end on another high. Look how cute these are. They're super small. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. Look at those. Wow. All right then. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They'll probably end up on books, most likely. But they are really detailed and absolutely gorgeous. Let me just check for you who did these. And Bear with me one moment. Okay, those stickers were designed by Storm Sparrow. What a great job. This is Loki, the cause of the racket, by the way. Okay, that's it. I love this box. I can't wait for the next one. I mean, really high quality. Surprised the hell out of me just how amazing this really is. And 12 items is brilliant. What a bargain. Okay, I'll see you soon. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.